Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? This is George Shamoun. I haven't made any videos in a while, so this one will be about Excel. I'm gonna start a new series about using Excel because spreadsheets are very important, and most of us use it at work and at home. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the VLOOKUP. It's a function in Excel that's very important, and it took me a while to figure it out and use it. And yesterday I made this small spreadsheet, and I want to explain it. So if you look first, you have okay. So the VLOOKUP is a way to look to search the spreadsheet for certain values if you're retrieving the same list of values every day, let's say, or every project. So you have a way of filtering your spreadsheet, and let's say every time you filter it, you want to know what's changing in it. So this is where the VLOOKUP comes into play. So I'm going to give you an example now, and then let me just flip my screen. So this one here, I have old list. It says this is the first. Let's say this list I retrieved yesterday, right? And then the new list I retrieved today. So you have two lists retrieved different days or different dates, and they are from using the same criteria from the same database, but the list of those values is changing because sometimes you may have a list of projects that you finished some of them, so you want to know what projects are new or which ones are the same. So you use VLOOKUP. So I'll give you an example. So the old list, this is my old list, it's 216 through such and such, and then I did a retrieval. The new list is this one here, and I changed couple value, and using the VLOOKUP you can tell which values are new, the new values. So and I want to show you the format of the VLOOKUP. So you look at this, that's what you use. C2, I'll explain it in 1 second. C2 equal VLOOKUP, parentheses, B2, comma, dollar sign A, dollar sign 2, colon, dollar sign A, dollar sign 19, comma 1, comma false. And I will explain this in a minute. So what does this do? It retrieves, it looks, so this is the new list, right? This new list here. And it's gonna look, this is the VLOOKUP here in this cell. And what it does, this formula, it looks at each value of the new list, and it compares it to the other list, to the old list. And if it found it, it will list it here, in the VLOOKUP example. And that's how you know it's still the same. And if it's a new project that it's not found in an old list, you can see NA here. It says NA. So in this list, I found out that number 7 and number 400 are new projects. So they were not here. The rest are the same here. And what's interesting, it will look at each one of those, and it's important to use the false here, this function, because you can use true or false. And it's important to use the dollar sign. The dollar sign will make sure these don't change as you traverse the cells going down. So use it if you need it. And if you have any questions, let me know. So this is how you use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Hey, welcome guys, welcome. I'm doing good. I hope everybody is doing fine. I'm just seeing the now the notes, the chat here. Yeah, welcome. What's your birthday? Why you want to know my birthday? Said hi, welcome. Thank you guys. Do you have any question about Excel? the VLOOKUP function. I'm talking about the function because I just found out how to use it, and it's very important because if you use Excel and you retrieve a list every time and you want to compare it to previous list and you want to see what's the difference, this is when you use VLOOKUP in Excel. It's very important function, and it's good to know Excel. Most of us use it at work and at home. So what's your name? My name is George Shamoun. Andrea Sanders, welcome. Where are you guys tuning in from? Are you tuning in from the US or overseas? I want to know. I'm coming to you live from the state of Florida now, in Melbourne, Florida. So I wonder if you're coming over, tuning in from the US or from overseas. I wonder. I just want to know what's my reach. And I haven't done this in a while. So I'm gonna start doing that again. So let me know what's your interest, what you want to know. I talk about technology on my channel, and I didn't make videos for a while because I was moving around, and now I start to settle. So I'm gonna start again making videos. So let me know what are you interested in, what kind of videos, what because I make videos about technology, software, and certain hardware, not much hardware. So let me know if you're interested in specific topics about the technology, software as a service. And obviously, I'm not going to know all the topics, but certain topics. So let me know. By the way, I am in the telecom business, so I am a telecom engineer. So you're from USA. Okay, good. Yeah. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. About Excel, about other software. But I make a lot of videos about Linux, how to use the command line in Linux. So if you're interested in learning Linux, I have a lot of videos on my channel. So how do you put on live stream? I really want to live stream, Andrea. Yeah, it's not that difficult. Do you have a YouTube channel? If you have a YouTube channel, you have to. I think there's a requirement. You have to have 50 subscribers or more. Once you hit 50 subscribers, you have the ability to use this option, live streaming. And right now I'm doing it on my phone. I'm not using any extra equipment, no cameras, no microphones, just using my mobile. So yeah, it's not that difficult, but you have to have 50 subscribers. Do you have 50 subscribers? Yeah, and you want to make sure what I noticed, you want to make sure you don't skip videos. You want to make videos often if you want to grow your channel, and you want to get subscribers. You have to keep making videos and talk to people, and because there's a lot of competition on YouTube, and don't Andrea send a 95 sub. Yeah, you should be able to do live streaming. So the way you do it is you just go to uh, your channel, and then there's a plus sign. If you're using a mobile phone, there's a plus sign on the bottom. You hit the plus, then you'll have the option to upload a video or live stream. So once you hit live stream, it's gonna start giving you like a circle. Then it will give you a title, and then it says start. And once it starts, you look on the top, you can see a label. It says live. Once it says live in red, and then you have the time, how long, how long you've been on a live, and then it will show you exactly how many people on your live stream. Like now, I have 3 people on my live stream tuning in, and 2 thumbs up, so you can tell from the counters on the top. Yeah, so it's not that difficult. If you want me to make a video about starting a live stream, let me know. I can make a video, but it's easy, and a lot of people have videos about it. So yeah. Any questions, comments? What are you interested in? Whoever is here, I'm sure more people will see it later on. Just a couple people now, but more people will be getting the message, and they'll be tuning in. Just let me know if there's any specific topics you're interested to know about or to learn. If I know it, I'll share it. If not, then I'll have to learn it. And mostly now, I think I'm gonna start talking about Excel a little bit, few videos maybe, because I found it very helpful because a lot of people use it at work, and yeah, questions, comments. Add a add a Q and A sticker. Your favorite season and why? I don't know what you mean by that. So my favorite season is summer. Summer. I like summer, even though it's hot, but I like it. So yeah, I'm thinking of a question. Okay, yes, sure, yeah, yeah. So if I wonder what industry are you in? I am in a telecom industry. I am a telecom engineer. I wonder what industry are you in? Are you guys programmers? Are you technical? Are you not technical? What kind of work or school you go to, or what kind of work you do? So yeah, and make sure, please make sure you subscribe because I want to grow my channel, and the more I grow it, the more videos I make, the more I have ideas about what's working and what's not. So let me know. Make sure you subscribe and add any notes. So yeah, who else? Yeah, and then if you want to start making videos, you want to use uh, you want to use YouTube Studios. You want to download the YouTube Studios. It's a software where it will give you all the analytics about your YouTube channel. So this is very important to know. Like now, I can log in my YouTube Studios, and it will show you all the analytics. It'll show you about the videos, about the subscribers, about the retention period. So it will give you a lot. So yep. So yeah, it's amazing how much you can do with Excel and other Office documents. I mean, you think they're easy or simple, but the more you work using those, the more you need to learn about them, and there are so many functions. So, what's your favorite food? My favorite food is shawarma. You know the shawarma? This is Middle Eastern food, the shawarma. It's like I like sandwiches. Shawarma and shish kebab, beef kebab. These are one of my favorites because that's my background. So I eat different kind of food. I like the ethnic food. I like to change. So yeah. So this is how you use uh, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. So basically, you use it. Sometimes you have a list of hundreds or thousands of projects or elements or data, and you want to see what's changing, and then you can use this VLOOKUP. You can use it. VLOOKUP is so yeah, yeah. Okay, sure. Yeah, thank you for tuning in, Andrea. Make sure you subscribe if you have not yet. Make sure you subscribe. So see you in the future, maybe. You can use your laptop, your computer, if you want. If you have a computer, laptop, or desktop, you can use it to tune in too. You don't have to use your phone. So, hello, sir. Hi, welcome. Apka Shanki. Where are you tuning in from, Appa? K Shanki. Where are you tuning in from? Are you in the US or overseas? And let us know if you have any questions. We're talking about India. Okay, welcome. Thank you. So let us know if you have any questions. I'm talking about VLOOKUP function in Excel. You might know it, but I didn't know about it much. So I start using it and I had to learn it. So I made a tutorial about it. I used it yesterday, and it's very important. It's a very important function in Excel. So. Yeah. What are you interested in? Do you have any questions about what we're talking about? And we'll try to help. Said hi, hi. So yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe if you're interested in this kind of videos and those topics. I talk about technology, about software as a service, and obviously I don't know everything. So whatever I know about. I make videos on YouTube channel. I'm coming to you live from the state of from Florida in the U.S. This is where I am now. Yeah. So yeah, I want to welcome you to this live stream and thank you so much for tuning in. Whether you're on this live stream or you will be watching the video in the future, I want to thank you so much and make sure you submit any questions you may have. And if you have not subscribed already and you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe, so this way you don't miss future videos. Because I'm gonna start making videos, soon more than before. Because I was taking a break, I was moving around, and I start to settle now. So yeah, so yeah, questions, comments. There are so many functions you can use in Excel. I mean, I haven't used a lot of them. But this one is like I start to use often, and it's helped me a lot at work. So yeah, Florida is nice. Yeah, beautiful Florida. Yeah, and the weather is nice. It's warm. It's very warm. Sometimes It gets hot, but at least it's not cold. I was in the Midwest before, and it was very cold, and winters are very harsh. So yeah, did you ever use Excel? Anybody online on if you're tuning in, let me know if you used Excel and what do you use it for. What There are a lot of reference to learn about it, and I got this book here, this one here, Excel for Dummies. I like this series, the dummy series. It's I like it. It gives you a lot of details, and it explains everything. So yeah, who else have a question? Any questions, comments? Let me know if you're interested in more topics or if you have any questions. So just yeah, I also talk about making websites. So and using low code to no code tools. So yeah, anyone else? Questions, comments? Just one person tuning in. Oh, I've been going for 20 minutes. Okay, uh, I guess I'm gonna wrap up the video because it looks like there's not a lot of questions coming in. So, what are these? Answer. I don't know. I don't know about those stickers. So, yeah. Choose a game to stream with. All right. So, okay. So I guess I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna end this video now, this live stream, because there's not any questions coming in. So, and I'm done with my topic. All what I wanted to do on this video, explain how to use the VLOOKUP. So if you don't have any questions, I may have to wrap it up. But you can add your questions or comments later on in the future, and in a comment box, I will answer you. So all right. So with that said, I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Have a great day or great evening. Thank you.